Hi everyone, very warm welcome to YouTube channel Look Gorgeous by Vartika. I recently tried Chloe Ting 15-day intense core challenge. So in this video, I'm going to share my experience and results with you guys. Just before starting this challenge, I tried her 2-week stretch challenge as well. So I'll leave the link of that video in description box below. In 2-week shred challenge, in 2 weeks I did not see any difference in my measurements, but after 4 to 5 days of completing the 2-week shred challenge, I actually saw 1 inch lost from my navel waist, from my lower waist area, and also 1 inch lost from my bust area. So that really made me happy, and that 2-week shred challenge made me strong as well. So it wasn't that difficult for me to do the intense core challenge, but in any case it was really intense and really hard. Just after 3 to 4 days of finishing the 2-week stretch challenge, I started intense core challenge, and that 15-minute full body exercise is intense. It is gonna kill you, seriously. It is gonna make you sweat so badly. I sweated like a pig, like from every single part of my body. My clothes were wet, and I had to take a break after every single exercise for day 1. Then slowly I was able to take less breaks, like for day 2 or day 3 I took break after 2 to 3 minutes, like after every 2 to 3 minutes, and then like around day 5 or 6 I was able to do the workout by taking less breaks, much less breaks than the previous days. And by the end of the workout, like when I reached day 14 or day 15, it was easier for me to do the workouts, but it was never that easy, as it was a challenge and it worked like a challenge only. So it was difficult. At that day also it was difficult to do the workouts. By the way, I really loved her abs 21-minute video, abs and full body thing. That is amazing. That I just love that workout. I was able to do that in one go, so I really like that workout a lot. And about the plank challenge, damn, it is intense. It is so hard on arms. It is so hard on arms that even on day 15 I wasn't able to do it without taking so many breaks. I had to take break after 2.5 minutes only. Like after 2.5 minutes I had to take a break in that plank challenge, like after every 2 to 2.5 minutes. It is definitely intense on arms, but that definitely made my arms stronger. So talking about the results, the best result that I saw is that my arms are so strong now. I can feel the muscle in my arms. They are toned, they feel good, but there is no much difference in my measurements, but my arms are very strong now. I wasn't able to do chakrasana in yoga for quite some time now, but after doing Chloe Ting's this intense core challenge, I'm able to do the chakrasana, and I'm really happy about it because I really wanted to do this asana. So I'm very happy about this thing. My arms were very weak, like they have been weak all my life. First time I felt that my arms are strong. Now I can even do push-ups, which I wasn't able to do earlier in my life. So I'm very happy about this thing, that I feel strong. I can do workouts in a very good manner now. So that's one good thing. And difference in my weight, there is no much difference on my weighing scale. It's just, it is fluctuating from 60.5 kg to 61.3 kg for like 2 months now, I guess. So because I already lost 14 kgs in last 1 to 2 years, so there isn't going to be much of a difference on my weighing scale, and I totally understand that. So that's completely okay. All I wanted is to lose some inches of my waist and on my entire body, but unfortunately I did not lose even 1 centimeter from my waist, which isn't a good thing. But I totally understand that my body is different and it works differently, and for some people it is very easy to lose inches, and at the same time for some people it is gonna take years as well. So I did not see any difference on measuring tape in my thighs, in my legs, in my waist area, on my lower waist area. I just saw very little bit of difference on my arm area, like 1 centimeter lost from my arm area, that's it. And 1 to 1.5 centimeter, like approximately half inch lost from my bust area maybe, and just 1 centimeter lost from just where my waist starts, that's it. No much of a difference, and no other inch loss. So that's all about it. There is not going to be any difference in my before and after picture as well. I look like that only. It's just that my core feels stronger and my arms feel stronger, but there isn't going to be any visible difference in the pictures. But yes, I love the challenge, I love the workouts, I love the exercises. They're pretty well, such a well made challenge, and all the Chloe Ting's challenges are like well made, so I definitely recommend you guys to check her challenges out. But at the end of the day, for me personally, I think that losing weight and losing inches is a big term goal for me and my body, because everyone's body is different and I lose inches and weight very slowly. So I'm gonna be patient like always, and I'm gonna give myself 6 to 12 more months to become perfectly slim and to reduce my waist size completely. I think I gotta do this challenge back to back again and again for at least 3 to 4 months to see proper visible results on my waist the way I want it to be. So but I'm not gonna do this challenge again and again, but I liked quite a few exercises out of this challenge, so I'm gonna make them part of my simple exercise routine rather than doing such intense workouts every single day. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this for lifetime. I personally think that we should do what we can do for a lifetime. So I want my exercise routine to be such that so that I can pursue it and continue it for lifetime. So I'm not gonna include extra hard workouts for my everyday workout routines, but definitely there were some workouts that I loved so much, and even if they were hard, I thoroughly enjoyed them, and they were good for my body, they didn't hurt me or anything. So I'm gonna include some of the workouts in my exercise routine. By the way, I actually love those up and down plank jacks, which not a lot of people are fan of, but I really like that. That's quite a fun exercise to do, and I enjoyed that a lot. And I loved all the abs exercises of Chloe, so I'm gonna include them. And also I loved some of her exercises for butt and legs, so I'm definitely gonna include them in part of my workout routines. So do I recommend the challenge? If you think you're strong and hard enough, so you can try this out. But if you think you have any injuries in your body and you have weak knees or something like that, then I do not recommend. But if you're perfectly fine, then only I recommend the challenge for you. And if in case you do this challenge, make sure to wear perfect proper workout shoes, otherwise it is gonna hurt you a lot and that's not gonna work for you. So use the proper yoga mat, which is anti-skid, which doesn't slip, and also the proper workout shoes. And you should always wear a proper sports bra as well while you're doing your workout. I'll leave the links of my workout clothes, like few of my workout clothes, in the description box below, so you can have a look at that and check that out. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found this video a little helpful or a little interesting, just to know the results and all. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, look gorgeous, live healthy. Guys, there isn't any visible difference in my body as such, so that is the reason that I'm not including any before and after pictures in this particular video. I hope you guys understand that. And losing weight is a long-term thing, so do not expect losing inches in just 15 days or something like that. It takes a lot of time, effort and patience for most of the people. Everyone's body is different, always remember that. Just make sure to eat healthy, that's what matters the most. It's 80% diet that helps in you to lose weight, and a 10 to 15% exercise, and 5 to 10% role is of your good sleep. So make sure to follow everything correctly for lifetime so as to lose inches and fat. Thank you so much for watching.